In this video, we're finding the difference quotient of f. That is, find f of x plus h minus f of x, where h cannot be equal to 0, for the following function. Be sure to simplify. So to give you an overview of what the different quotients of a function is a measure of the average rate of change of the function over an interval h. And in this exercise, we have a linear function. We know that because the highest exponent is 1. So here I am going to label that this is a given function. And in order to find the difference quotient, we need to find f of x plus h. So everywhere you see the x in the f of x function, we are going to replace it with x plus h. Everything else remains the same. The coefficient and the constant, they remain the same. So we're going to use the distributive property to simplify this function, 9x plus 9h plus 2. Now that we have this function, we're going to be able to find the difference quotient. All we have to do is put all those pieces together. So the f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So we will replace the f of x function as 9x plus 9h plus 2 and then subtract the original function. We are enclosing that function in parentheses so that we do not forget or make a mistake when we apply the distributive property to simplify that second function. So now we're going to continue simplifying the numerator by multiplying by the implied coefficient of 1 preceded by a minus. So it's going to be treated as a negative 9x minus 2 divided by h. We continue simplifying, and the terms that do not contain the letter h will have to be adding up to 0. I do not like to say cancel out. They add up to 0. Now this h is being now multiplied by 9. So h divided by h equals 1. So the difference quotient for this exercise is 9.